Hi guys, welcome back to Mom's channel. Right guys, so today we'll be preparing hampers guys, for people. So as you can see, all that we have here, the tomato, onions, apple, bananas and potato. So we purchased them here at Mystique guys, in Manor. Let me just go back a bit. So Mystique fruit and veg. So we purchased them here. Right guys, so we're gonna go home and pack them separately, and when we're passing out to the poor community, we'll show you guys.
Hi guys, this is what we bought. Sharon showed y'all. So I'm gonna pack it all for giving the poors. So this is what all we got. So I'm gonna pack some rice, salt, all those things I'm gonna pack for giving those poor people. So I'll show you guys when we start packing and giving them. So we got 1 pack onions, 1 pack potato, tomato. We got some fruits here and some spices. All I'll pack, guys. I'll show you all the hampers when I'm giving. Thank you guys for Melanie and Natasha. Thanks very much for your donation.
Okay, mom are packing the salt now. So mom's also adding masala guys for them for cooking. So it's the salt, the rice, the vegetables, the fruits. Alright, so guys, we empty the rice into a clean dish what we use for feeding. And so me and Tia is packing the rice now. Alright guys, so here's all the salt that we packed, the rice, and there's the tomatoes. So waiting for the masala, and then we'll show you guys as we're packing each parcel. So this is basically everything that's going to be in the hamper.
This will be for 1 pack, guys, for 1. This is how we're going to pack for 1 family. Like this. It goes for 1 family. This is what we're making for 1 family, this. That's how it'll be, guys, to be packed for 1 family. So guys, you watch me when I'm giving the families, and my second channel you can watch it. This will be for 1 family. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy it, share it.